It's 20 to 9 and I already had breakfast. I mopped my office. I light up my little Christmas tree here. Well, not officially a Christmas tree, but I got up feeling great this morning. So trying to be productive, trying to get all of the cleaning and organization and packing done. So I'm just gonna like tidy up my desk area, fill my cup of water for the morning because I need that. I've been feeling really dehydrated lately, and we're gonna get our day started. Let's go. Oh, outfit. We just have a regular jersey and we have these shorts. Yeah, we're in a casual mood. It's a rainy day, but I'm probably gonna just put a hoodie on over this when I start feeling cold. You know it's Christmas when you see these cookies. I have chocolate chip here, but you see these cookies? See these butter cookies? Oh, there's more stuck. I didn't put any sugar in my coffee this morning, which I typically really don't. I always put like a little touch, but I was like, you know what? Let's try out start of our day with no sugar. It's close to lunchtime, and we want a midday snack because the place is cool. It's raining outside. I have on the AC. I was wearing shorts and a t-shirt, put on the hoodie, had to put on my long pajama pants. Oh, you know, snugly working. It feels great, y'all. Definitely hop on the work from home train because it's amazing. I can literally take my laptop and go in bed, wrap up in the blanket, and do work. One of those videos people make when they almost finish eat, and the movie like still showing the credits. This movie now starts, and this is public. And I take very long to eat. This is what I enjoy most about my life. Giving them my favorite little blanket, letting them snuggle in it, giving them all the treats that they want. Being a dog mob is the best part of my life. Look at how sweet that little baby is. This is my new PJs. So I bought this on sale. This is like the Peanuts Charlie thing. It's like really big. Like as you can see, it's like really big. But you know what? Who cares? It's a shorts. It's got pockets. Y'all know how we feel about pockets. So gonna wear this and we're gonna edit the videos that we have not been editing. So we're gonna relax and lounge in our PJs. And then so we edit a little bit and then we're going to read.
And he want a helper, so he looking for